Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Terra in a real sense is a low-position digital money presently estimated at $29,856 that has a place with a class of minimal coins, with a market capitalization of about $560,846,156, which especially is very critical. Over the past truly couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Terra, laid out an extremely impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources, like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards forks, which in every practical sense is very critical. A few institutional financial backers even truly consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which sort of is genuinely critical. Retail financial backers and dealers in every practical sense are by and large keen on digital currencies for example, Luna, since this is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources certainly have the extremely potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a generally brief time frame, which is very huge. These profits essentially are by and large impossible in fundamentally different business sectors, which is the justification for why most lovely moderate financial backers really are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Terra, while the groundbreaking ones in every practical sense dedicate a huge part of their extremely cash flow to this quickly creating resource class. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Terra to the level at $2098.56, where it as of now sits in an unpretentious manner. As currently referenced, Luna for the most part is a low-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 77th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the really metric that not entirely set in stone by duplicating the very current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which is genuinely huge. On account of Terra, the market capitalization sort of stands at $560,846,156. The significance of this boundary will generally be explicitly made sense of later in an unpretentious manner. Our cost expectation calculation essentially is planned in especially such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to explicitly give our endorsers the most reliable data on the especially present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily for the most part evaluate the condition of their portfolio and sort of choose whether or not it especially needs to generally be reconfigured, showing how as currently referenced, Luna in a real sense is a low-position cryptographic money since it by possesses the 77th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the genuinely metric that in a real not entirely settled by duplicating the truly current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which really is genuinely huge. Our calculation likewise gives kind of extraordinary consideration to verifiable information, which by and large is imperative for the very right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its sort of present and future bearing in an unobtrusive manner. Underneath you will truly find genuinely key portions of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could in a real sense have a comprehension of where the Terra market especially is going, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Yesterday on Walk 3, Luna certainly was esteemed at $0.8863,698 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Sort of recollect that digital currencies for the most part are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., in spite of prevalent thinking. The cost change rate-wise over the said period generally added up to 0.54%, which is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on February 26, Terra for the most part was exchanged at $0.6293,704 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in every practical sense, near its extremely present situation amazingly. On February 4, which sort of was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Luna at $619.15, the cost level that certainly is at the distance of 33.89% from where it at present sort of stands incredibly. The cost of Luna and the readings of CVIX in every practical sense are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, or so they in a real sense thought. Market capitalization explicitly is. Another significant genuinely metric that really assists traders with fundamentally deciding the ubiquity of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities, or so they by and large thought. It's additionally used to sort of evaluate the offer that Terra in a real sense holds inside the sort of whole cryptographic money market, or so they truly thought. The equation for the estimation of market capitalization in every practical sense is fairly basic. The flowing stock of the money being referred to is duplicated by its truly current cost, which explicitly shows that yesterday on Walk 3, Luna basically was esteemed at $63.698 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Explicitly recall that digital currencies by and large are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a very huge manner. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of Luna remains at $568.46,156, enough to name it the 77th sort of the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday on Walk 3, the market capitalization of Terra for the most part remained at $582,233,825, which essentially is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on February 26, the capitalization of Luna certainly was $463,995,190 in a sort of large manner. A month prior, on February 4, how much truly capital streaming around this especially specific market explicitly added up to $401,945,931. Most digital money financial backers explicitly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a sort of specific cryptographic money, and its capacity to really endure disturbances which are the in every practical sense normal event on this profoundly unstable market in an unobtrusive manner. The all-out supply of Luna at present in a real sense remains at 104,262,701 coins in a quite enormous manner. The circling supply of the digital currency under audit really is 675,835,753 Luna, which is very critical. This Terra cost forecast wouldn't be certainly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiries, since it's the really metric utilized by basically all digital money merchants to especially affirm the strength of the pattern and the practicality of a market move, exhibiting how a few institutional financial backers even consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, or so they by and large thought. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the rear of the especially low exchanging volume, there especially is a by and large high likelihood that this move is unreasonable and would for the most part bring about a bullish snare, which generally shows that on account of Terra, the market capitalization really remains at $560,846,156. The significance of this boundary will be fundamentally made sense of later in an unpretentious manner. Hence, it's vital to dissect the